In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio and video in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring audio into your design using the built-in media options, and you'll understand where video fits into the same workflow. Start with your Framer project open. When you're ready to add media, go to the top toolbar and click Insert. This opens the panel where you can find all components and assets you can place on the canvas. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also open the Insert panel that way, but clicking is the simplest path if you're just getting started. Inside the Insert panel, click on Media. This section groups all the web embeddable options, so it's the place to go when you want to add streaming audio or video to a frame. For audio, you'll see options for Spotify, SoundCloud, and Apple Music. These components are designed to accept a share URL and automatically render the correct player, so you don't have to deal with code or manual A-frame setup. Choose your preferred audio source. If you're using Spotify, simply drag the Spotify item from the media panel onto your canvas. Drop it where you want it to live in your layout. You can reposition it later, so don't worry about perfect placement right away. Before you link it, make sure you have a proper share link ready. From the streaming service, Sean sends a copy of public share URL for the track, album, playlist, or show you want to embed. Public share links are important because private or region restricted content may not load in the player. With the Spotify layer selected on your canvas, look at the right-hand properties panel. You'll see a field for the link. Paste your Spotify URL there and Framer will instantly render the embedded player. If it doesn't appear, double-check that the link is a standard share URL and not a shortened or private one. You can switch to preview to confirm everything loads and plays as expected. Keep in mind that modern browsers may block autoplay, so plan for users to click play. From here, you can fine-tune layout and sizing. Resize the layer to match your design and align it within your frame or stack just like any other element. If your design uses auto layout, the player will adapt to your spacing and padding rules. The exact process for video starts the same way. Click Insert, Open Media, and choose the appropriate video option. The flow is identical. Drag it in, paste a valid share link, and adjust the layout. That's it. You've added streaming audio to your Framer project and seen how the same steps apply to video.